Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 face recognition not working after an update. First, you need to reset your Windows Hello Face data. Open Settings and go to Accounts, then click on Sign in Options. Find Facial Recognition and click on it. Now select Remove to delete your current face data. After that, click on Setup and follow the steps to scan your face again. This helps fix issues caused by broken or outdated data. Next, restart the Windows Biometric Service. Press the Windows key and type Services, then press Enter. In the list, scroll down and find Windows Biometric Service. Right-click on it and choose Restart. This will refresh the service that controls face recognition. Now check your camera privacy settings. Open Settings again and go to Privacy and Security, then click on Camera. Make sure camera access is turned on. Also make sure apps and Windows Hello are allowed to use the camera. If the camera is blocked, face recognition will not work. Finally, check for Windows updates. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer. Updates often fix bugs that can break features like face recognition. Thanks for watching.